clutter, a stagnant tide. Lost myself somewhere inside. One deep breath to hit reset. Time to get my momentum back. I'm taking back my space tonight. I'm making everything feel right. Whoa, let's go.
I got a new toy. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy with this thing. Can't wait. Can't wait to use it. This is what I'm going to use it with. I got a scrubber. Yay! Bathrooms are going to be so much better now. Roto Scrub. Look at this. This is going to be so cool. Okay. We have not a lot of complications. We have a plug-in and handheld. Super lightweight. No giant battery pack on the end. So when I hold it up high to clean the shower, my hand and my arm is not going to get overly tired. And my tennis elbow isn't going to die the death of a dirty dog, because it's like maybe like a 3 or 4 pound drill. Oh my gosh, this looks simple enough, and I won't lose parts. There's only 2. Yay! Okay, slight setback. This comes fully uncharged, and it has to charge for 9 stupid hours. 8 to 10 hours. Your tool was sent from the factory in an uncharged condition. For attempting to use it, it must be charged for at least 9 hours. So, bathroom waits till tomorrow. So with my new drill charging, we moved to the fridge. And this was no less than scary and shocking. Oh my gosh! There are no words for that fridge. Okay. Time to bring out the big guns. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. How is your week starting out? I really hope it's fabulous. For us, it's a bit chaotic. Last Thursday was my daughter's last day of school, so this week is our first full week of summer break, and things are always a bit chaotic as we try to adjust to a summertime routine. You know what? Adjust is probably the wrong word for that, because if I'm being honest, it takes us till August for us to adjust to a summertime routine. And by the time we are adjusting, September hits, school starts back up, and we have to adjust to a school routine with new classes, new teachers, and new subjects all over again. And that usually takes till after Halloween to fully readjust to that one. So this year, I want things to be different. This summer, I do not want to have any scheduled routine to acclimate to or any systems in place for summer. This summer, I want my family and I to be able to relax. This last school year was hell. And I'm not talking school or class-wise, I'm talking life-wise. Last November, my husband came down with salmonella poisoning. That salmonella bacteria woke up a dormant autoimmune disorder, and my husband, it's called reactive arthritis. Long story short, his legs and ankles swelled up to where he could not walk and was in extreme pain. And it took 8 months and 2 surgeries before he was able and okay enough to go back to work. So with my poor husband out of work and too sick to help around the house, I had to pick it all up myself. And I don't mean just the house. I mean everything that goes on in a day. I got a job to help with the bills Mind you, I've been a stay-at-home mom for like the last 10 years. So finding a job that wanted to hire me with no current work experience took some serious searching and finessing. All I can say is thank God for Christmas seasonal hiring. So I had to learn to fit in a job, still keep up with the house, help my daughter with her school and her out after school activities, take care of my hubby and get him to all his doctor's appointments and surgeries and rehab therapies, and still find time for my gym workout and my cleaning videos. Because if you don't know, in my shorts, I've been on a health and weight loss journey for like the last year, and I've lost 105 pounds. Anyway, I digress. I have so much on my plate. I was running from before sunset till after sundown every day. So the whole summer, just relaxing with little to no run days sounds awesome. I mean, obviously I still have to work and the house has to be taken care of, but compared to what I was doing, that sounds heavenly. It really does. But enough about me and my chaos. I could ramble on about that all day. I need to talk to you about this fridge. I think it had been about 2 months since I had cleaned this puppy out. And yes, I know that's awful, but I was barely staying afloat to just keep the basic housekeeping up with everything else that was demanding my attention. Deep cleaning and meticulous cleaning always took the back burner, sadly enough. So when I pulled out these door shelves out, they were caked with anything and everything you can imagine, from honey to ketchup to cheese that should have gone in the garbage a long time ago. So I just decided to pull everything out and wash every inch of this fridge down, because it 100% needed it. I got a little irritated with my shirt after getting the door finished, because I was still in one of my work shirts and my long sleeves were now wet and making me cold. So after the door, I go change. This wasn't a 2-day job. I just couldn't stand the wet sleeves anymore. Finally getting all the shelves back in place after they were cleaned and dried and wiped up, and I got the door wiped back down, and man, does it look 100% better. You got to check out the before and afters.
When my thoughts get loud, try to fight it. So I drink it down till my body learns to breathe you out of my story. But it gets blurry in between. Love and obsession caught in the wreckage. Let me be. You are a prison. Why won't you listen? In the deep end, we hit a dead end. Every time we're swimming, you make sure we sink it. In the deep end, why do I dive in? Every time we're sinking down, down, down. In the deep.
What is this?
Deep end. You're an ocean with an angry heart overflowing till it all goes dark. You keep trying to hide the scars, but I don't need you anymore. That's the best part. In between love and obsession caught in the wreckage. Let me be. You are a prison. Why won't you listen? In the deep end, we hit a dead end. Every time we're swimming, you make sure we sink it. In the deep end, why do I dive in? Every time we're sinking down, down, down. In the deep end.
So I'm finishing up with this rack that I'm cleaning, and I go to clean the glass shelf that goes with it, and I'm actually shocked what's on it. And I have 4 kids, so there's not much that shocks me mess-wise anymore. But looking at it, it looked like some kind of spill that hardened on the glass, but it's not. It was some kind of sticky spill that my daughter sat a takeout bag on top of, and the bag kind of fused together with the sticky stuff, and it literally wallpapered onto the glass. It was literally peeling off like wallpaper when I started scraping at it. And I was like, oh my gosh, is that what that was? I never would have thought. It literally looked like some kind of brown meat mess. Oh, and before I forget, I want to tell you something super funny that's happened all week. Last video that I did when I did the Zep streak-free glass cleaner out on the outside of the windows, the inside and outside, my kids have been coming up to me all week long It had one kid after another. Hey, mom, have you done something different with the screen doors or the windows? Because like they look different. And I'll turn to every one of them, and I'm like, yeah, I cleaned it. And they're like, it doesn't even look natural anymore. It don't look like there's any glass in it. And apparently the cat didn't think so either, because it tried to run right through the stupid glass. It thought the screen door was open and tried to run through and bonked its head and knocked himself silly. So apparently the Zep glass cleaner does one heck of a dang good job. After I get these shelves done, I had to take a break. You won't see it, but I had to take a break. I had one daughter call and needed a ride home from her friends. One called and needed a ride home from work. And when I got back, my son took my car so he could go to work. 3 people, 3 jobs, 1 car. Gee whiz. Sometimes I just don't know how we get it all done, but we do manage. Is your life this chaotic?
It's a little like forward, yeah, that's alright. When I see it, she's still my sight. And we're sitting on the curb of the parking lot, talking about our lives and the futures we've got. And she says, don't you worry, you're only 19, so why you in such a hurry? And it's a parking lot sunrise, with a girl who says that she might just sign me on 10. We're until then I'll wait under a parking lot sunrise, with a girl who says that she might just sign me on 10. We're until then I'll wait. It's a little bit late, it's a little bit light, but when I'm with her it just feels right. I say I've been running around, I'm exhausted, but when I'm with you it feels like I've been anesthetized. She say I don't really mind being put under for you. I'll be waiting for the sunrise. And it's a parking lot sunrise with a girl who says that she might just have me Monday. We're until then I'll wait under a parking lot sunrise with a girl who says that she might just have me Monday. We're until then I'll wait under a parking lot. All I wanna do is make it out alive. Is make it out alive. All I wanna do is make it out alive. 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 All I wanna do is make it out alive. Is make it out alive. Is make it out alive.
So at this point, I was getting really excited to see it all finished because it was looking so much better by leaps and bounds. I mean, I just love it when you're doing a cleaning project and it turns out to look so much better than you thought it would. And you just take a step back and you look at the progress and you think, dang, that is looking so much better. And as you look at all that hard work, you think to yourself, I did that. I'm so glad I got this done. It's really great feeling when even the air in the fridge just smells better. Do you ever look at your cleaning jobs and think that, or is it just me? I'm finally getting the shelves back in, and then I can finally get the food back in the fridge. At this point, I'm so very proud of this job because it looks phenomenal compared to what it looked like. And I really hope you were as motivated and satisfied as I am. I know I'm still a baby channel and I'm still learning a lot when it comes to editing, lighting, and how to make great videos for you all. So if you guys want, drop me a comment and let me know what you want to see more of and what you want to see less of. Your input means a lot to me. It really does. It will help me grow as a content creator and help me make the exact videos you all want to see so that when you do watch, you get the motivation and satisfaction from my videos that inspire you to jump right into the messy middle and get it all clean in your house too. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's a free way to help me grow, and it really helps others find this channel as well. When I get this food in, and you need to check out the final befores and afters on this fridge because it is absolutely amazing. It is really shocking how well this came out.
This quiet kind of clutter, a stagnant tide. Lost myself somewhere inside. One deep breath to hit reset.